And I'm going to go through other lives this series of complications and what I had to go through to repair these. Um, a lot of people think that their diabetes is just something they have to live with, and they pretty much don't do too much to prevent the complications associated with it, so they can live a comfortable life, you know, get through it. But most just let things kind of go as astray. And when it hits them, trying to repair it can be just as bad. With cataract, this was my first eye. My left eye was the worst. I had a detached retina in the back. That's the back part of the eye. And the retina starts to pull away, to peel off, which will make you lose your vision. So this one, they had to give me lasers. It's a machine that you put your head in, and brace your face, and they shoot lasers. Just imagine being poked by a pin in your arm or on your body.